This is the Genesis G90. The Genesis G90 offers an available remote start function which can be activated via the included smart key fob. The remote start feature will allow you to remotely set the cabin air temperature before entering into the vehicle. The vehicle must be in park for the remote start function to work. To activate remote start, ensure you are within 32 feet of your vehicle with your smart key fob in hand. Press the door lock button on the smart key, then press and hold the remote start button for more than 2 seconds. This must be done within 4 seconds after pressing the door lock button. The vehicle will then start. Should you need to turn off the remote start function before entering the vehicle, press the remote start button on your smart key fob once. Otherwise, you can enter your G90 and enjoy the drive as normal. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.